Hello. So today we are going to explore resource bar option. So if you see the resource bar taken at least 15 to 20% our display area. Okay. So I know this is means we can shift this left to right and right to left also. For switching is left to right, just go to the resource bar option and just check the display on right option. But the problems remain same. In the right side also they are taken 50 to 20% area. So just we are going to check the possibilities. It's we are able to use the 100% screen or not. For this we are need to go to the file in preferences. In preferences, user interface. Just click here resource bar. In resource bar, drop down the display pane and click on the region tab. Okay, pay attention here. re- Here the ribbon bar, and in ribbon bar up to the application the tab is available. When I click OK, the one more option is available now, that is the resource bar. Means here which is earlier the resource bar available is here right or left, the whole option is going in ribbon bar option. Okay. Here the same, you can check assembly navigator, constant navigator, part navigator, the same option which is available earlier as a vertically, left or right. So suppose I want to check any features in part navigator, then how can we use? Just click on the part navigator. Here, some option is here, part navigator. This directly customize. If you see, we can easily move to the left, right, or anyway. When my cursor is on a part, then it's faded away. Part navigator is faded. When I click on the extrude or any features, then it's directly shown me on my model. And when I going to the my model, then it's directly faded away. Okay. Then suppose I want this part navigator on the left, then I can place here, just drag and just place here. This is also possible. Then on right side also possible. Then if I want in the horizontal at top, then it's also possible. So according to your convenient, you can use this. Just pay attention here, my cursor side, and when I here go here, my cursor's display option is changes. For drop down, just going here, just according to your convenient, you can use this type of resource bar option. For restore, just click here. Okay. F- just go to the file, preferences, user interface, and just click tip lab. The same option is come up.